Let me tell you about this amazing new destination with mesmerizing waterfront views जो मुंबई से सिर्फ 2 घंटे and पुणे से 1 घंटा दूर है। शुरू करते हैं पेट पूजा से in their charming restaurant with an amazing infinity pool view। प्रॉपर्टी लोकेशन ऐसा है जो आप देखते रह जाओगे। It is surrounded with water on 3 sides and a beautiful mountain view behind। Enjoy breakfast in bed, फिर बेड से उतरते ही कुछ दूर चलते ही आ जाता है आपका बड़ा सा पर्सनल स्विमिंग पूल। Isn't it amazing? By the way, they have multiple stay options, pool villas, suites, waterside cottages, tree houses, etc. And sabhi se view is just outstanding and budget friendly too. You can enjoy football, cricket in their turf. They also have spa, kids playing area, indoor games, gym. यहाँ पे helipad भी है. This is giving me ideas of making a special entry or a romantic proposal plan. This location is perfect for wedding, parties and corporate events too. Bro, view ऐसा हो तो celebration तो बनता ही है. Located in picturesque Talegaon near Pune, surrounded with lush greenery and lakes all around, this is elegant waterfront.
You won't believe if I tell you कि ये जगह मुंबई से सिर्फ 3 घंटे दूर है, जो सराउंडेड है ब्यूटीफुल लेक्स एंड माउंटेन से, और यहाँ स्टे स्टार्ट होते हैं ओनली 7,000 रुपीज इंक्लूडिंग लंच, ब्रेकफास्ट, मसाज एंड टैक्सेस। लेट मी शो यू। ये है एलिगेंट वाटरफ्रंट रिसोर्ट इन तालेगांव, विच इज अ लेक फ्रंट प्रॉपर्टी विद कोजी एंड सुपर स्पेशियस रूम्स, लॉन्स, ग्रीनरी, माउंटेन्स एंड इवन वाटर स्पोर्ट्स। यहाँ इतने यूनिक स्टेज है लाइक दिस tree house or this cabin which will transport you to Goa, or even this spacious villa which is perfect for family and friends. Not just that, they have the most romantic high tea setup, barbecue in a car, dinner setup facing the lake, games, spa, banquet halls and even a helipad for those romantic proposals. Matlab full package. And you can stay here starting at only 7,000 rupees. But wait, this offer is only for our Kohli Tales followers, where you can stay here starting at 7,000 rupees including breakfast, lunch, taxes and a couple head and shoulder massage session. है ना बढ़िया deal? So book it now on Kohli Tales website or app in the
Imagine waking up from your bed and diving into a pool in your living room. Welcome, myself Mahi and आज मैं आपको लेके चलती हूँ महाराष्ट्र के एक ऐसे रिसोर्ट पे that is surrounded by a serene lake from all 3 sides. This is the infinity pool from where you get the view of this beautiful lake, जिसके पास है यहाँ का रेस्टोरेंट और उसका फूड is definitely a USP. This is the 2 BHK family villa and इसका बेस्ट पार्ट मुझे लगा ये नेट बेड, जहाँ आप काफी मस्ती कर सकते हो। उनके पास मल्टीपल स्टे ऑप्शंस है लाइक दिस डीलक्स लेक व्यू रूम एंड दिस पूल स्वीट रूम एंड ट्रस्ट मी देयर आर मेनी मोर। फन एक्टिविटीज के लिए देयर इज इंडोर गेम रूम, टर्फ एंड गार्डन्स। सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट ये ड्रीमी हॉल फॉर मैरिजेस वेयर वन कैन गेट मैरिड विद दिस व्यू। यहाँ पे एक हेलीपैड भी है इन केस यू वांट टू डू अ बॉलीवुड एंट्री इन अ हेलीकॉप्टर ऑन योर स्पेशल डे। दिस इज एलिगेंट वाटरफ्रंट रिसोर्ट इन तलेगांव। Save for future reference and follow for more such amazing recommendations.
Hello, so here's a sneak peek of our recent stay at the elegant waterfront resort. To begin with, let's talk about our room. We stayed at the pool suite. This was so much fun, having a private swimming pool inside your room. So convenient and cool. And here's the view outside our room. The beautiful lake, so serene and breathtaking. For bigger families and group of people, there are these cute and beautiful villas. And yes, we also did engage in some fun activities. One of the highlights of this property is this helipad, where I had my perfect twirl moment. Strolling around this beautiful resort with my loved one, away from the hustle and bustle of the city, being in the lap of nature, surrounded by the tranquil waters, made our experience perfect.
This is not Udaipur. This beautiful lakefront property is only 3 hours away from Mumbai in Talegaon. We woke up to the view of the lake from our very own room. This resort is spread across 16 acres and is surrounded by lake on 3 sides. The sunsets here were so dreamy and it's such a romantic couple's getaway. Our favorite was this infinity pool overlooking the lake. Enjoy mouth-watering meal from their restaurant or chill at the pool. They have many categories of rooms such as deluxe lakeview room, pool suite, villas and executive cottages. You can enjoy at the turf or even play the many indoor games therein. Let your kids enjoy in the kids play area. They also have multiple banquet and lawns, which makes this a great destination for weddings.
This is one of the biggest resorts in Maharashtra.
Yes, you heard that right. This resort is not only one of the largest resorts in Maharashtra but is a world of its own. It features a private helipad, rooms with indoor pool, themed accommodation, villas, treehouse, cottages, lake view rooms, banquet hall and lawn, an exquisite restaurant offering the finest cuisine, a stunning swimming pool, indoor games, a turf area and so much more. Welcome to the elegant waterfront resort near Mumbai and Pune, a serene getaway perfect for family and friends. Start planning your visit to this lavish and luxurious property soon.